Hi, this is Lucia with The Art of Love. Today I want to talk about a phenomenon that I've noticed with exes reaching out on holidays or birthdays, either your birthday or their birthday. Now, if you've already listened to my video titled, When Will My Ex Contact Me?, you know that more often than not, you tend to hear from them after you've already moved on. You've let go, you've given up, and you thought, okay, that's it. I guess I'll never hear from my ex again. And then suddenly they pop up. And often they do it on a holiday or a birthday. So why is that? Well, I believe it's because they are trying to save face, because they know they've broken up with you, and they know that they are supposed to be the ones that are supposed to try to contact you since they broke up with you. But often when they realize they've made a mistake, they're hoping that you'll contact them, which is one of the many wonderful reasons why you should not contact your ex, why you need to do no contact. Because otherwise, you're sending the message that they can break up with you, and then if they change their mind, they just need to wait a few days, a few weeks, and poof, you'll contact them, and then you'll be back together. And so when you don't contact them, they still have their pride, and they know that they're going to have to take back what they said. They're going to have to say, I'm sorry, I changed my mind. And no matter how much they miss you, they still have their pride and they don't want to do it. And so instead of just calling up and saying, hey, I missed you, let's get back together, they have an excuse. And that excuse is a holiday or another reason for calling, a birthday, an anniversary of something. They will look for any reason to contact you. Often with my coaching clients who are in no contact, they're looking for reasons to contact the ex, and they always come up with such creative reasons. Well, this is the anniversary of this, and well, it's her birthday, it's her dog's birthday, whatever. They always have some reason for wanting to contact them. And I say, no, you cannot. Wait for your ex to contact you. And if they contact you, then you have to decide whether you're going to respond, because if you're just starting no contact, I wouldn't suggest that you respond to a happy birthday or a happy Halloween, happy Memorial Day, whatever. Because if it's only been 5-6 days and they've already changed their mind, that means it was a fake breakup and they were just trying to manipulate you with their actions. But as I said earlier, you don't want them to think that they can just break up with you or do a fake breakup and that you will then go running back into their arms. And so you need to make them wait a little. And if you do that, you will see that they will probably call you again very soon. But most people are so excited when they hear from the ex that they don't wait. Impatience is your enemy in this case. Your high interest level and your impatience are what get you in trouble. And so if you were to wait, then you would be able to find out the truth of whether they really want you back and whether they really miss you. Because if they do, they're not going to give up. They're not just going to call once and then they don't hear from you. It's like, oh, well, I guess she's not interested. I guess he's moved on. That's it. No. If they're really interested, they'll call you, text you. They don't hear from you. They're going to wait probably like a week, maybe 2, and then they will pop up again. So it's up to you whether you want to respond or not. I personally wouldn't respond because I want to wait and see what they do. That's always fun to see when they start calling and texting, when they realize that you're not going to contact them. Then you feel vindicated. It's like, yes. So if you have any questions or comments, you can contact me at my website, theartoflove.net, where you can also inquire about private coaching. If you're listening to this on iTunes, I would appreciate if you would rate and review the podcast. If you're listening on YouTube, thank you for subscribing. And finally, remember that love inspires, empowers, uplifts, and enlightens.